Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rusty78609, and in front of you see a cow dog. It's a hot dog from Cow Dogs in Alpine, Texas. They're open Thursday through Saturday, 11:30 a.m. till 3 p.m. and I'm going to unveil it with one hand here, so you'll see it. They use the Hebrew National wieners, the really good all beef stuff. And there, ladies and gentlemen, unveiled for your viewing pleasure is a cow dog. You got me? See that? Great, well done wiener, toasted bun, pico de gallo, and underneath the pico de gallo, which is a Spanish kind of a hot sauce stuff, is bacon. Health food personified. You can live forever eating this type of food. $6 including tax, and that's in Alpine, Texas. Check them out. I'm fixing the pig out here in a little bit, but first of all, I'm going to cut it in half. I may cut it in thirds. I'm not sure yet. Just depends on how hungry I am, but I'll have me some popcorn and a hot dog, and I will watch a movie. Dun, 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 dun. And what else? Tomorrow, for your viewing enjoyment, I'm going to go to Long Draw Pizza near the Tulingua Ghost Town near Big Bend National Park and get me a 6-shooter pizza at the Long Draw Pizza place. Oh, you gotta love it. And they're only open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 5 p.m. until around 8:30 or 9, maybe a little later on the weekends, I'm not sure. But anyway, guys, Moooooo! Cow dogs. Adios. Thumbs up, carpe diem, adios, bye-bye, buy anything you want anytime. But if you think about it, use the link to Amazon products in the description of all of my videos. Why? Because that's a nice thing to do. No, I shouldn't say that. Anyway, drink plenty of water, stretch, walk, keep your health, eat healthy foods like that. And what else? Stretch, walk, drink plenty of water, and drink a little beer every now and then if you choose to. And stand guard at the door of your mind, and just enjoy life. Might as well enjoy it while you're here, right? Adios, amigos. Bye bye.